Honda Foreman 500 2018 year model. Let me show you main cause why probably your rear brakes stopped working. But main problem is moisture intrusion in dirt, and this is a cam pin from the brake assembly. And what happened? This pin got seized up inside the hub. It should move freely from the horizontal position when brakes are released to the vertical position when brakes are on, applied, and I wasn't able to even move it. I had to hammer it back to actually release my brakes to be able to get a drum off. I have another video how to undo the stuck drum. Yeah, this is a problem. Moisture intrusion, rust on the pin, corrosion. If you're first time to the channel, take a second to subscribe. Very appreciated that. Everything is clean. Pin is lubed. I'm using a silicone based brake lubricant. And let's put this pin back. As you can see, here we go. This dot should be facing back. Let's put it in, and it should slide easy like a butter. Beautiful. Yeah, I'll put the seal back as well. There you go. I'll clean this excessive grease. What's came out, I don't need it. We'll trap the dust. Yeah, now we got it lubricated properly. Everything's turning, and also applied a little bit of lube on the shoes pin sliders. Yeah, that's it. Check it out how it's working. Here we go. You press the brakes applied, brake shoes spread it out, released, spread it, released. Beautiful. Everything's lubed, pins are lubed, clean, and everything's lined up, as you can see on the back. Yeah, beautiful. We'll just set attention on the cables. If this video is helpful, informational, educational, interesting to watch, put a thumbs up. Appreciated that. Well, thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Well, and I see you next one. Take care. Bye bye.